Mapping services in Noida Sector 62 play a crucial role in the development and growth of the region. With its strategic location and excellent connectivity, Sector 62 has emerged as a hub for various industries and businesses. The availability of mapping services in this area ensures that businesses can effectively plan their operations and make informed decisions based on accurate and up-to-date geographical data. One of the key players in mapping services in Noida Sector 62 is SCON Design. With years of experience and expertise in the field, SCON Design offers comprehensive mapping solutions to businesses across various sectors. Their services range from creating digital maps to spatial analysis and visualization. They use advanced technologies and tools to capture, process, and present geographical information in a user-friendly manner. SCON Design's mapping services in Noida Sector 62 can greatly benefit businesses in multiple ways. Firstly, accurate mapping data helps in efficient route planning and navigation, enabling businesses to optimize their logistics and transportation operations. Secondly, mapping services provide valuable insights into market demographics and customer behavior patterns. By analyzing geographical data, businesses can identify potential areas for expansion or target specific customer segments. This helps in making informed business decisions and developing effective marketing strategies. With the rapid growth of Noida Sector 62, it is essential to have accurate mapping data for effective land use planning, transportation network design, and infrastructure development. SCON Design's expertise in this area can assist government bodies and urban planners in making informed decisions for the sustainable development of the region. Therefore, businesses in Noida Sector 62 should leverage the expertise of mapping service providers like SCON Design to stay ahead in today's competitive market. The growth and development of Noida Sector 62 are greatly aided by the mapping services available there. Sector 62 has become a center for many different industries and organizations because of its advantageous location and superior connections. By having access to mapping services in this region, businesses may successfully plan their operations and base their decisions on precise and current geographic information. SCON Design is one of the major companies in Noida Sector 62's mapping services. With years of experience and knowledge in the area, SCON Design provides thorough mapping solutions to companies in a variety of industries. Their offerings include anything from geographical analysis and visualization to the creation of digital maps. They acquire, process, and present geographic information in a user-friendly way using cutting-edge technology and techniques. Businesses can gain a lot from SCON Design's mapping services in Noida Sector 62 in numerous ways. First of all, precise mapping data facilitates effective route planning and navigation, allowing companies to maximize their logistics